going?
Home.
We're far away.
Why are we all
Cinematic mode.
Oh, well, we've been talking about doing this for a while, going from the Fairmont Kealani Polo Beach and walking all the way along the beach, all the way home to North Kihei where we live.
With a stop at Haleakava.
It's about 9 miles, I think. It might be 10, but I don't know. We'll have to see. It's 8.7 if you take roads, but I think the beach winds a little more and makes it longer. I'm calling it about 5 hours probably.
This one is not allowed to get lazy and stop.
Yeah. So we have come 200 feet. So
how many thousands? How many thousand to go? Feet to miles. It's easy, right?
Yeah. 5,000 times, so 50,000 feet.
Cool.
Which we've gone about, once we go 500, we're about 1% there, or 0.1%.
Woohoo! See you there.
Yeah, well.
We're at a mile!
We're passing the, what's it called, luau.
The whatchamacallit.
This is usually the
decline luau.
The decline luau.
You know what you know.
Te Ao Moana.
Yeah!
This is the Wailea. The Grand Wailea was a little bit back. This is the Tail Cafe.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is the Wailea Beach Resort with the Te Ao Moana luau. This is, as far as I've seen, one of the more authentic luau's. But it's cool because the luau they do here covers all of Polynesia. They talk about Tahiti, they talk about French
I think
Polynesia.
they focus on Polynesia.
It's mostly Tahiti, I think, because the people, the French Polynesia was not a thing according to them. But last time we were there, they really focus on Tahiti, and we looked it up, and a lot of people in it are from Tahiti.
We weren't there. We were behind.
Passing by.
But yeah.
1 mile down.
9-ish to go, unless it's less. We'll see. We're kind of confused because we're going on beaches and there's no way to see. At a certain point, we can't go on a path, and it wants us to go on a road, which we're not going to do. So we're still not sure how long this will be.
We have to go on South Kihei Road.
But yeah, but before then, we'll do some beach walking. Aloha.
2 miles. So our watches are very out of sync. Mine says 1.88 and hers already says 2 miles, but we're walking next to each other in lockstep.
Last time his was ahead of mine. Hi.
Yeah.
Almost to 3 miles.
And we're at Cam 3. Perfect. About 2 miles from Haleakava and then probably about 7 from home. 4 miles, only 3.8 according to mine, but we just passed Camp 1, Kamo'ole Beach 1, And
I found a flower.
We're very close to, I think, the Cove, whatever Cove, by the Maui villas. But yeah, Olena got a cool plum area to go with her hibiscus. And we're about a mile from Haleakava.
Woo! Can you see it?
Oh, what's that?
Looks like a mangosteen, but it's not.
Some sort of seed pod? Whoa! Do you know what it is?
I think we looked it up before, but I don't remember.
Very cool.
Whee! Hello.
Hey.
5 miles.
5 miles and
But
we're giving up.
we're giving up.
She's giving up.
You're agreeing. You're like ice cream.
No, well, fine. But I would love to keep going, but 387 calories.
My legs hurt.
How many for you?
We bought a movie
Yeah, we're going to see Little Mermaid.
463 active calories. Well,
Whoop, whoop.
something weird happened to my phone, but okay, we're at Kava. You haven't been here, come here.
46 minutes.
Yeah, we're fast. Next time we'll go all 10. Bye.
This is Olena. And I'm Isaac.
We're moving to Hawaii! But first,
We're driving from New York City to Seattle
with Smiley, our 9-year-old rescue pitty.
in our Tesla Model 3, equipped for camping.
And we are funding this trip with our Etsy store.
Meaning we are bringing around 50,000 earrings.
And 500 envelopes.
And our label printer.
On this 11-day cross-country road trip.
Subscribe to the Travel Bug Bite today! If you liked our video, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Check out our videos from all around the world and let us know what you'd like to see next.
Thanks for watching!